First look at the 2019 Overfinch Range Rover. This truck looks so awesome in the flesh. Got some LED flicker, but of course in real life they are pure white light with an all-new bumper from Overfinch in the nose. It's one of the most distinctive pieces. And then of course this special custom grille, all carbon fiber here. Some deeper intakes, very technical level of carbon fiber. Oh, there's another fuck under there. Cool, nice. So lots and lots of LEDs galore, and just a more aggressive look. Obviously, the big Range Rover proper is, it's a real traditional machine in its style and in its appeal. So if you really wanted to ramp it up, I mean, this is one awesome way to go. Very, very rare and exclusive upgrade package that you definitely will not see anywhere else. So the Overfinch package, totally new bumpers, front and rear, and then obviously these gorgeous 23-inch rims, carbon fiber blades, unique sill extensions there, also in carbon. Not sure if the sun's glare is working for that. Carbon caps for the mirrors. And then inside, this car has upgraded leather. It's this new diamond pattern perforated leather that Overfinch has developed. It's absolutely buttery soft and it smells so nice in here. But the rest of the Range Rover is stock, except for what you might hear is a little bit of a burble from my back. So coming around back here, see we've got an additional carbon fiber spoiler on the roof there. It's pretty cool. And then of course these giant milled exhaust pipes and switchable exhaust modes. I think he's gonna rev it up for us a little bit. Sounds so cool. 5-liter supercharged V8 in here. Very, very tunable engine and very livable. Awesome looking set of quad pipes here. More Overfinch detailing here for the carbon fiber across the boot lid there. And then coming around, you see this gangster stance and a really, really cool upgrade package. So all these parts are available individually, but you can also get the full kit, including the vehicle. So that one is what we're looking at right here. Fully spec'd out, we're looking at about a $50,000 upgrade versus the stock machine, and coming in at $207,325. So Overfinch, English company, sources all their parts from the UK, and then they're installed in Virginia before being shipped to its forever home, shipped to its next customer. I'm a big fan. It's really hard to sort of capture the how cool the upgrade looks in the nose, just because of the lighting right now. But it's definitely an eye-catching vehicle, and one that really enhances the Range Rover's inherent style in a really cool, hip way. Alrighty, we'll see you guys next time.